Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and I just had some really fun Happy Mail land on my doorstep. So I'm gonna apologize right now. You can hear I've got the crud that my kids had about a week or so ago. So I sound horrible, but I think happy crafty mail always makes you feel better no matter how bad the day is. So I wanted to pop on and film this unboxing of my latest Wild Hare Kits before I bust in and start playing with it. So if you're not familiar with the Wild Hare Kits, I will have a link down below, and I will link some of my other unboxing videos. I am on the design team, so they do send me product, but their kits are really awesome. And so this month for October, I got the Petite Kit. So you have the option of getting a Petite Kit or a Deluxe Kit. And my past kits were Deluxe Kits, and they were jam-packed with goodies. And so this month we went with a little bit smaller of a kit, but there's still, I haven't even opened it yet, but I can see some really awesome things in here, and it'll be great for kind of pairing with some things that are already in my stash and kind of putting together a kit. So check out my other unboxings to see how the process goes, but basically these are a hand curated paper crafting kit, and so you fill out a questionnaire, and then they have curators that put together kits specifically based off of you and your wants and needs and likes and things like that, which I love. And so this month I didn't give Allison a whole lot of, you know, specific things that I was requesting. I pretty much filled out my profile the same and then mentioned that I will be documenting photos from one more camping trip, and we have our ladies retreat to Hume Lake. And so other than that, I kind of let her go do whatever, because it's been kind of fun to be surprised, and she is way more knowledgeable about products than I am, so I'm just gonna kind of trust her on this, and I've loved everything else in my kits, so I'm excited to see what she stuck in there. I did say that I made a comment about wanting alphabet stickers, because you can never really have enough alphabet stickers. I feel like I use them all the time and everything in my Bible journaling and traveler's notebooks, and so I do see that there are some of those. So you do get a note from the Wild Hare Kits from Allison, have fun crafting, and you also get your little note explaining what's in the kit, and she says she included lots of cut aparts with cool navy and vibrant pinks and greens. I made sure to send a gorgeous alpha, and also sent a thin wood veneer set, which would be great for your traveler's notebook. So I love this. I have been watching Heba from My Little Journal, and she uses a lot of Color Cast Designs products, and I've never used their products before, so I'm super excited to see this in here. So let's just start with that. And again, this is the Petite Kit, so it is a little bit smaller, but there's still some really pretty things in here. So these are these really thin wood veneer pieces from Color Cast Designs, and I've seen Heba use these, and these are awesome. They actually have adhesive already on the back side of them, so you don't have to use any glue. And how fun are these? You can add paint or inks and things if you wanted to, or just leave them natural. But these say, let's do this for the record. This right here probably says details. I love this scripty, here we go, happy moments, and around here. And I'm gonna try to get this to focus so you can see just how thin that wood veneer is. So this is probably, I don't know, maybe a third or a fourth the thickness of a regular wood veneer piece, I think. So, and it is still, you know, good quality, but it's nice and thin for Bible journaling or for traveler's notebooks, which are really nice. So I got some of those. Love that. And then some thickers. These are the Happy Life thickers, and this really pretty, I think it's rose gold. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so it's like an antique gold on this side, and then look at the rose gold on the other side. Oh my gosh, Allison, these are awesome. Okay, so if you've been watching me, I just got the new Illustrating Bible, and I have been going nuts over everything rose gold, and so this is awesome. And they are a puffy, you know, they are thicker, so they are kind of puffy, but they're not, you know, too horrible, and they're spongy, so these will be really great. And I love the size of the font. Oh my gosh, and you got numbers. Okay, I'm super excited about that. And I treat golds and metallics as a neutral, and so they go with like everything in my book. All right, and then we've got some accent stickers from Jen Hatfield. I've never even heard of this company, Jen Hatfield. This is new to me. This is from American Crafts. These are so pretty. So there are gold details. I don't know if you'll be able to see with the camera lights. Pull it out. some gold detail. So it'll go with the thickers, with the gold thickers, so that's awesome. And they just have these really fun pieces. I love the butterfly, and it is like a cream background. This would pair really well with the Simple Stories collection also, since it's kind of the same colors and the cream. So if you have any products from the Simple Stories, this would go well with that. And it'll be perfect because I have gotten some Simple Stories in my past kits, and so this will be perfect with that. And look how fun, like the lemon and the little basket of oranges. Today is the best day ever. How fun. Super cute with these little lights. I like that the colors, you know, the items are kind of summery, but the colors will lend well into documenting into fall also, so that's awesome. Okay, and then some 12 by 12 papers. So this is from the Jen Hadfield Patio Party collection. So like I said, I hadn't ever heard of this before, so that's awesome. So these are some 3 by 4 cards that you can cut apart. This Let's Hang Out is super cute. Life is Better Together. That'll be great for documenting retreat photos. Add a little confetti to each day. Love that. Oh, how fun. And then the back side is this really, oh, I thought it was the paper. Nope, that's the cut file. So the paper is a hexagon, and then the cut file this month is this really cool hexagon cut file. So if you, typically when you order a petite kit, you do not get the cut file already cut out for you. You do have to special request that, but you do get access to the cut files. I'll link a video down below. Last month I talked all about the Wild Hare Kit cut files, how to use those. I did a spread using one, so definitely check out those videos. But how fun is this hexagon cut file? That is awesome. And this one in particular, if you're not a 12 by 12 scrapbooker, if you do something smaller, you can cut this down and use little pieces of it. So I really love that it's flexible and can use it for a lot of different projects, and of course goes perfect with this paper. So the back side of that patio party is this ombre hexagon. Oh, and then a grid. I'm all about the grid paper. I have been on the hunt for some grid index cards to cut apart and use in my layerings, but this will be great in the meantime. And there is this really beautiful butterfly branding strip. And this again is from the Patio Party collection, and these are all cut apart tags. How pretty. So even though it's a smaller kit, I love that she's including kind of all things from the same line, so it'll be easy to mix and match and pair things and kind of pull things from my stash, like little bits and bobs like washi tape or ephemera and things like that to go with the collection. Thanks a bunch. Thank you. These are really cute. I love the navy with the pink. That is really pretty, and the wood grain. It's a nice transition into fall. Again, from Patio Party, this is the Scattered Posies, really pretty pinks and greens and navy. Okay, so this is when I'm super glad I don't do 12 by 12 documenting and I do Traveler's Notebook size documenting, because I can cut this down and use both sides of the paper. I don't have to pick a side. So this side has got this really fun book print, and then you've got that cute branding strip. So, oh, one more. Yep, one more paper here. This is also from the Patio Party collection, and it's all these little square cut aparts from me to you. So that is really, really fun. So even though it doesn't look like a whole lot in the petite kit, once you cut all this apart and turn it into little ephemera pieces, then you have got a lot here actually. So this is awesome. And the back side is this really fun kind of wonky pebble texture. So I'm excited to maybe play around with making some of my own ephemera by adding crepe paper or ribbons and things to dress up some of these pieces and really turn them into fun ephemera for my documenting. So there is everything in my petite kit from the Wild Hare Kits this month. Again, I will link the link down below so that you can order. And it isn't monthly kits like some of the other things I show. You can just pop in and order whenever you want, based off of, you know, what you need, what projects you're doing. I love that, you know, if you've got a month where you've got a birthday party or a special event and you know that you're going to be documenting that, you can specifically ask for things around that event, and then it saves you from having to go and shop for products and try to mix and match things. She takes care of all that for you. It lands on your doorstep and you're ready to go. I have loved working with these kits, and it's made it so easy to document and create, having everything together and just easy to reach for. So If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below. Again, check out the description box for links to everything. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.